y'all, it's Sav.
Hey guys, it's Kenzie.
And you're watching Kenzie and Sav.
Sav and Kenzie.
Alright, so what we're going to do today is What's in the Box challenge. It's going to be a little bit of a great value version, so don't mind, but and then
So we each picked 5 items
that we're going to do the What's in the Box challenge, and we don't really know how it's going to work out or anything, but we're just going to give it a try.
like we are with this YouTube channel.
We're still beginners, mind you, so just don't worry about it. And are you scared?
No.
I'm a little scared. Anyways, alright, let's get started.
We're gonna take it off. Da, 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 da.
Okay.
Alright, so do we put them in
Do you
now?
want to go first?
Sure. Is anything gonna hurt me?
One of my items will, but I'll tell you. But it's not, I didn't mean to. It's just that's the way it happened.
Is this one?
No.
I don't know.
Are you sure you're not
I'm
scared?
kind of feeling it.
I don't want to do it. Alright.
Is this a water-filled glove?
No. Why would it be a water-filled glove? I can't do it. What the I think it's, you got 1 point, by the way, because you guessed what it was. Oh, it's a tree.
No.
It's a home decor item.
No.
It's a chicken pond for the chickens to bathe. Yeah, this is a little small. This is a bird feeder.
No.
This is a necklace hanger. Alright, I don't know what it is.
No. Keep it in the box and just turn the box around. Or like,
What the heck is this?
her name's Rosie. It's a cow skull. I've had it since I was like, I don't know, 8. Or younger.
Okay. Is this one gonna hurt me?
No. Is this, oh wait, you said this one will. Apparently this one's
It's gonna hurt a little, but only because
Don't tell me.
it's so wrong.
It's low.
I don't I'm so Alright, Savannah. Just serious. You go first.
No, your hand's already in there. So you have to go down.
I don't want to. And that's what she said.
Stop! You're scaring me.
What the? Why does it feel gooey?
It's not gooey.
I just smelled the bad one. This is marbles.
No.
This is fake eyeballs.
No.
Fake rocks.
No.
Fake stones. Teeth. Jelly beans.
Yes. Is that anything instead of you getting a point? Because there was just so many
Oh,
wrong.
are these popcorn?
I don't know. I got them from Pittsburgh.
Yep. I think they're buttered popcorn. These are not a fan.
My grandma got me those.
Okay. This one's gonna hurt.
Ah.
I'm just a little bit.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh. What is... Stop! Ah! What the heck?
I don't know what it is.
I don't either. Is it alive? Stop. Is it? What is this?
Point for point.
No.
Oh. Do you give up?
No, it's a fish hook thingy. Fish lure.
That is your dad's. If I told you. If I told you.
I still wouldn't have guessed if you told me this is my dad's. Team Kenzie.
We're not starting this on this channel because if we're starting this war, you will lose.
Stop. Good job.
Thanks. I only knew it because it was my favorite part of my mom. I really had a feel in there. That's what she said.
Okay. Tennis balls.
Yeah, but what else?
Tape.
Okay, but what kind of tape?
Duct tape? The silver kind?
Oh my god, you look. That was good, right?
Let's get to it. Let's go. Yeah.
You said this one was really good, right?
Yeah. Hopefully. Hopefully.
Is it low?
It's lower than right across.
I just don't understand why it's... For a second, I thought it was like BBs. Or paintballs, I mean.
Oh.
So that's why I dipped in, but now I know it's gel, so.
Man. Dang it, I thought that was gonna be a good one.
It was good because I originally thought that it was gonna be paintballs, so you got my whole hands in gel.
I didn't think gel was gonna be like the first thing that comes to mind. I don't know.
At first when I felt that it was wet, I thought it was a candle. Or like a wax melt or something. So then I had to like keep on feeling. And then I saw that it was gel. So I'm gonna have to wash my hands, but. That was sexy. What do you rate that one?
6.5.
That's hot.
Okay, my turn. What is this?
I don't know. What is it? This is a kid-friendly video.
There's like goo on it.
Is there really?
Yes.
Goo for
like
what?
gum. I don't know. I don't even. Okay, the tennis balls. I don't know why you put these back in here.
I didn't. Oh my god, I totally forgot to take them out. My bad.
Oh. Is this a bowling pin?
No, it's not. It's a bowling pin. That's what it is.
At the same time.
Dude. Come on, it's okay. It's okay. Hey.
Don't be scared to grab.
Hey, it's okay.
Well. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Why is that cold? It's like a ice cream bar.
It's a poultry. You're a poultry, baby.
Is it frozen chicken?
That was your sister.
Stop! Oh my god!
Okay, so we know that this setting that we're in right now is usually your usual setting. Unfortunately, sorry for the background noises. We're filming this like in the middle of the day because
We don't even have you in here, but it's dog.
yeah, sure.
So they're.
But the problem was, apparently, I went in the front yard, she went in the backyard because she has chickens. And she went in the backyard and she went in the front yard. I thought she was gonna give me like a frog or like her dog's poop or something. No, this girl brings a whole live chicken.
Alright, so I was in the back looking for the chicken, and I don't know, like there's like little sockets under my fence that they're able to fit through. So I lose 2 of my chickens out of 15. So I run to the front and get on my bike, and I have to like circle around to like the back of it because there's like a neighborhood in the back. And I'm like looking for these 2 chickens, and like they're not there. And like I'm riding my bike back, and I hear like these bird chirps. And so I'm like, oh my god, like they might be here, but they could also be like birds in the tree. And this guy, like old guy, was looking at me, and he was like giving me these weird looks, and I was like, I'm just trying to find my chickens I lost.
No, the funny thing is, I'm like on the left side of her house, and she's like coming in from the right, and she's like sprinting like on her bike, like riding it so fast, and I'm like, Kenzie, what's wrong with you? And she goes, nothing, just close the door and stay in the front until I tell you to go. And I'm like, what the heck is wrong with her? And I, like, mind you, I'm not thinking of like chickens at all, because like I've been around her chickens before. Like they are so hard to catch, and I was like, there's just no way. And I didn't know she had divvies under her fence, so I wasn't thinking anything of it. I was just like, oh well, maybe she's doing like a lizard or a spider because she knows I don't like them or something. I don't know, maybe I was not thinking that it was a chicken like
Yeah.
whatsoever. But
I don't know, I guess she didn't want to cooperate. I guess she wanted to get out of the box.
yeah, but
All chickens are back, nice and safe.
what I was originally trying to get a frog, but I couldn't find any, and there's usually some in the bird bath, but I just decided, no, I'm not gonna be here today, so.
Yeah. So
This will conclude our second video, so like, comment, subscribe, and if there's any
all of that good stuff.
Good jazz. If there's anything you would like us to do, just comment below, DM us on Instagram, whatever you want, and we will get back to you.
We're up to any challenges.
Oh, any challenges.
Except ones that involve the law, nudity, and
some other ones. But anyways, we're going to be pranking each other on this channel now. So.
Are we?
No, we are. It's really fun. So.
You'll just have to wait and find out.
Yeah, you will. But, you know, me and Kenzie could totally pull this off because neither of us are like sore losers or anything. So like we would actually.
But we're really competitive.
We're so.
But we're not sore losers.
Not at all.
I think that's the end of the video. So make sure you like and subscribe. And the only way you're gonna be following up with all of our videos is to hit that subscribe button and those post notifications on.
And our social media is still up. My Twitter is the same exact thing as my Instagram, so no excuses to why you can't find it because it's the exact same thing. My Snapchat, you know, it's gonna have to wait. It's gonna have to.
My Instagram is down below, and I don't really use Twitter, but I check it, but I don't like tweet or do anything. So occasionally I'll retweet, but yeah. Okay. Bye.